I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is Amelia. Now copy the webhook URL and click the Fetch button. Now go to Amelia setting page. Now navigate the Integrations section. Click View Integrations setting. Click Webhook. Now click Add New Webhook. Give a meaningful webhook name as you want. Paste the copied webhook URL. Select the type as your requirement. Select action as your requirement. Click Save. Click Save. The setting has been saved. Now go to your Amelia Appointments page and change the status. Data fetching is required for integration setup. Now go to the integration page. Here data fetched successfully. Click Set Action. Now here, search and select Smaily. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get the subdomain name, go to the Smaily dashboard. Click the profile name on the top right corner, then click Preferences. Now copy the subdomain name. Paste it here. To get API username and password, click on Smaily API token. Click on Create a new user. Now copy the username. Paste it here. Now copy the user password. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Smaily. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your Amelia Appointments page and then change the status. Appointment status has been successfully. Now go to the Smaily subscribers page and scroll down. Click All Subscribers. Here is the data that came into Smaily through the integration. Thanks for watching.